A strategic alliance, expanding market reach and fostering innovation in the drone industry. Spirit Aeronautical Systems S.A, a leading Greek manufacturer of rotary and fixed-wing weaponized drones, and Garuda Aerospace S.A, a prominent Indian manufacturer of drones for civil applications, have announced a strategic partnership aimed at mutual growth and innovation. The partnership is expected to redefine the landscape of drone manufacturing and distribution in both the Indian and Greek markets, as well as their wider areas of influence. The collaboration will leverage the unique strengths and expertise of both companies, with core objectives including expanding market reach, fostering innovation, and facilitating the exchange of technology, experience, and best practices. Drone Manufacturing Strategic Partnership. Key highlights of the partnership include a reseller agreement, technology transfer, experience sharing, and a commitment to quality assurance. Both companies have committed to acting as resellers for each other's products, amplifying their presence in diverse markets. They have also agreed to actively exchange and transfer cutting-edge technology, facilitating the development of state-of-the-art products that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Mr. Mike Spiridakos, CEO at Spirit Aeronautical Systems S.A, stated, "This collaboration marks a significant milestone for Spirit Aeronautical Systems S.A. Our partnership with Garuda Aerospace S.A. not only broadens our market presence but also facilitates the sharing of invaluable knowledge and technology. Together, we aim to lead the industry in innovation and excellence." Echoing these sentiments, Mr. Bruno Escogido, Chief Strategy Alliance Officer at Garuda Aerospace S.A, commented, "Garuda Aerospace S.A is excited to join hands with Spirit Aeronautical Systems S.A in this strategic partnership. The collaboration reflects our commitment to delivering cutting-edge drone solutions for civil applications. By leveraging the strengths of both companies, we are confident in achieving new heights of success and providing unmatched value to our customers." Both companies are poised to make a significant contribution to the unmanned systems market, not just in drones, but across the sector.